Okay. Yeah.
For this season, my love languages, if you don't know, hi, I'm Jazzilulu, and my name is Jasmine. If you're watching, go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and follow me. Turn on your notifications with the little bell so you hear a ding every time I post a video. But yeah, so if you don't know, my favorite time of year is fall. So we're in fall. Today is, a lot of people celebrate Halloween, but I celebrate Diwali. So yeah, it's the celebration of the divine. And thank you, Father God. Thank you, Mother God. And today is all about the Mother Goddess. And so we're gonna get into some gifts. I'm super excited because I love gifts. I love gifts. Let's start with the first gift. It's gonna be in this gray box here. And this is Balenciaga. Ooh. Let's just open it. First of all, I love the gray color. It's just nice, simple, clean. And it has a card. This is a card. I'm just gonna read the card. I love that the gray and the gray match. Aww. This card, it says, "To a dream come true. The sun is always shining on you." Oh, so sweet. Yes, you know, over here on Jazzilulu TV, we always stay what? We stay glowing and shining. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm so excited, I'm so happy. It's like beautiful, beautiful gift for a beautiful me. Thank you. And I love the message, it's so beautiful. He trying to give some. Should I give him some? I don't know. Well, I didn't give him none, but who knows? This is how the box looks. Neat. I love it. It's a Balenciaga dress bag. It has the black drawstring. This right here. They're so neat. First of all, I'm so happy, I'm so excited, I'm so thankful. OMG. These are like so Jazzilulu. Love them. How cute are they? They're pink and black. They're black and pink. How cute. They literally just have one string. I like the top and the bottom. It's gripping on the bottom. On the bottom it says Balenciaga. They're super cute. Super cute. Love them. On the back it has the BB. On the front, BB and Balenciaga. It's because I have a specific outfit, and when I saw this exact pink color, I just knew I had to have them. So like, I'm so thankful and I'm so happy that I was gifted them. So yeah, like, love them. These are called the Zen sneakers because they're just simple, and I just wanted a pair of sneakers where I could just like slide them on and go. I don't know if you noticed, like, about me, like, I'm not really a sneaker girl, so when I do choose sneakers, it has to be something that's comfortable but still cute and stylish. Yeah, when I saw these, I was just like, oh, these are so cute. You don't even have to tie it. If I wanted to, I could take it out. How cute. Balenciaga Zen sneakers. Super cute. Barbie pink. Next, pull it here. I broke the parts before. Okay, so I gotta be careful with my nails because, yeah, we're not. Okay, I think I got it. Ooh, let's see. This is another gift. Yeah, 2 separate gifts, and yeah, like This is from Harrods. And if you don't know, Harrods of London is one of my favorite department stores of all time. I think they might be the original department store, but I love Harrods. And so yeah, let's just get into the box. I love their packaging too, by the way. So I did a different unboxing last year, and it will be in the fashion playlist of Harrods. So yeah. Ooh. I love it. So next box. So I'm super excited because it's like literally one of my favorite, like if not my favorite streetwear brand. And I just gotta say, RIP to Virgil Abloh. He's like a super creative designer. I've always loved his designs, and unfortunately Virgil passed away, but his brand lives on. And recently in New York City was the Off-White fashion show, so this is Off-White. I love the signature lime green, blue boxes, classic. So this is how the Off-White dust bag looks. Right here. Is it a man or is it a woman? I think it's a man, but who knows? Packaging looks like this, black and white. Ooh, girl, I'm so excited, I'm so happy, and I'm so thankful. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Look how beautiful. First of all, y'all know me. What textures do I love? Just like my sofa, I love velvet. And these are suede, but they have a velvet look and texture. Pink and black. And on the back of it, it says that because y'all know I'm that. Okay, I'm that HBIC, I'm that chick, that's me. Jazzilulu, that's me, that chick. HBIC, that itch, that one. Oh, anyway. And in the inside, it says Off-White, Virgil Abloh, Bohemian Blur. I love this detail right here. When I saw these, I just love the gradient of the pink and the black, classic Off-White logo. Y'all know this, of the zip tie of Off-White. I'm not sure if I want to leave this on or not. I don't know. Let's see the other one. What is this? Authenticity, Off-White. Like super cute, like super duper cute. I love them. Let's take out the tissue paper. Yeah, how cute are these? Oh, so on the back of the other one, it says this. So it's this and that, this and that. I wonder if he got it from the song, like you could get with this, or you could get with that. You could get with this, or you could get with, oh my gosh, my dad loves that song. But anyway, yeah. And then inside the shoe, one says off and one says white. A little bit difficult to open, so like, I'm not gonna struggle with these. I'm just going to go with the one that works. That's what I do, ladies and gentlemen. When something is difficult to me, well, when something is difficult for me, sometimes I just take a breath and just go to the next task and then come back. You know, because we ain't got time to be using our energy to, you know, worry about things that ain't benefited. But anyway, I'm super excited and I'm so happy. I got my pink and black, black and pink, Off-Whites and Balenciaga. So I'm just like super happy and I'm so thankful. And And like, so I'm gonna get back to celebrating, which is worshiping on Diwali and fasting. I just wanted to open these gifts that I received because I have to finish cleaning out my shoe closet. You guys saw in the video, like before this video, I cleaned out 3 of my closets, but I still have 1 more, which is my shoe closet. And what do you know? I still have more sneakers to open. You'll see them, or however I just decide to put them out. But anyway, thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, baby. Bye, Barbie. Bye, Barbie.